these motherfuckers, man. These motherfuckers wouldn't listen. Look, I said, I know I hate my mom, and I know I hate my dad. The thing is not getting back to they used to bad. I used to have the money. I used to have the girls. I used to have the fame. I used to be the world. I used to get up and drink all night, smoke weed with my brothers. We never used to fight. And now it's kind of fucked up because the darkness here. And I don't even know who I can trust while I'm scared. I'm trying to make it in this music industry, but ain't nobody trying to listen to my beats or anything. So I'm like, damn, what the fuck am I supposed to do now? I'm supposed to sit back and watch these niggas make it on TV? Fuck no, that shit ain't me. I'ma rob a nigga and take all of his tree and weed and take his fucking money and re-up and then smoke it until I get high as fuck and then blow a system up. Fuck you and fuck your daddy too and fuck your family.